So, didn't you try 2 other sets of headers?
I think that was the third set. We tried a couple different cheap ones because you're kind of limited what you can get for the second gen Camaro. And finally went with Ultimate headers because all the other ones fit like crap. And I mean, these things are flawless.
They don't.
Spend the extra money, go to Ultimate headers. Owner there is really nice, and he will custom make them however you need to modify them. Took about 6 weeks, and he'll even ceramic coat them if you want. But we just went with stainless for now. I might ceramic coat them once the engine's broken in. But these headers are flawless. They're equal on both sides. They're not touching the bottom of the car like the cheap ones we bought. They exit at the same place.
And they don't go with the spark plugs. Spark plugs are centralized perfectly. Oh, hang on.
And then they even give you the spec sheets, so if you don't have them, you can go by their spec sheets over here and kind of figure out your measurements to see if they're going to fit before they arrive. And if you want to modify it before they make them, you can.
Yeah, don't do what I did on my 55 Chevy and spend a fortune and then have to beat the hell out of the headers. And it looks like you're not going to have any problems with the spark plugs being close either. They are very expensive though.
Yeah, I think they were about $13.50-ish, somewhere in that range.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Maybe if you buy direct from him, you might be a little bit cheaper. But real nice guy.
No, that's quite reasonable.
Definitely high quality headers.
I think I spent that much money on, I won't name the brand, but told that my headers would fit my 55 big block, and they didn't. That is pretty awesome. That's going to be wicked. Really nice. That firewall. Woo, it looks amazing.
Yeah.